video. I am Angie the Commoner, and in this video, I wanted to try to do something a little different from what I would normally do every day, and that is actually apply makeup on myself. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Hey there! So today, we're gonna go over the L'Oreal Blue Haute Couture makeup palette. First, I have to tie my hair back. I don't want to get any makeup on my hair, so I obviously have to go through this step. So moving on from that, the next step is foundation and a gimmicky brush that might or might not work that well. This part, it gets a little boring, so let's skip. Moving on from that, we're going to use eyeshadow primer on my eyelids, obviously. Another gimmicky brush. So now, let's just skip this part again. Now we're moving on to the eyeshadow. And this time no gimmicky brush, but okay. It's supposed to go over your eyelid, this part. Let's see. Before you guys get bored, let's skip a little. I'm done. Now to use a magnified mirror, because I'm kind of blind and I want to see how I look. Now, I'm just gonna move on to my other eye, because I still need to get that done. Now to move on to a highlighter. It goes along your brow bone. It's already starting to look like a hot mess, but it's okay. I really don't care at that point. Hey, I remember you guys were there. Back to the makeup. Ooh, now we're close to being finished. This one I'm adding to the creases of my eyes. So let's get to it. I guess I was happy with that look. Now I have one more thing to go. This one, it's supposed to go along the line of your lashes. And I'm just cringing inside because I don't want to poke my eye out. I'm finished. Oh, that's concealer. Probably should have done it before the foundation, but I'm still doing it. Let's go. There's the return of a gimmicky brush. It works okay for my purposes. Along with that brush is just some awkward pauses. Don't know what I'm doing here. And now, some foundation. The other one made me pale enough, so this is a bad idea, but I'm still going for it. I kind of get the Jeff the Killer feeling when I see myself with that makeup. So that's why I add bronzer. This one's a lighter one, so I don't add it all over to my face. I just add it along my cheekbones and my forehead and my nose. So moving on from that, we have my actual favorite bronzer. I go crazy with this one. I put it all over my face. It takes my Jeff the Killer face off and gives me a tan, even though it's fake. Looks like I'm almost finished. So now I just need to let my hair loose. Since my hair is curly, I don't really need to do much to it. Just fluff it up a little. That's right, I need to add lip gloss. Inking on it now. Oh, it looks like I got the wrong color. I was supposed to get a darker one, but oh well. I actually ended up looking like Tammy from Bob's Burgers. No bueno. Oh well. Bye bye.
Are you kidding me with this girl? She doesn't know what she's doing. She obviously didn't blend when she needed to. She didn't even show any contours. What is up with that? I don't know. I wouldn't recommend this girl at all. She's just a little strange. And to be honest, her voiceover she was correct. I agree with her. She did end up looking a little like Tammy from Bob's Burgers. So, I don't know, you guys can give her a try, but I don't know, I guess she could do with a little more practice. And I was so looking forward to being able to do my makeup with the way that she put her title and everything. I thought it was pretty good. So, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And let's have a discussion and see what you guys think. And don't forget to